section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and St. John the Baptist Prep won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with St. John the Baptist Prep. We start with Bible knowledge. In which psalm is the verse, "Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life"?
Psalm 91. Psalm 99.
Incorrect, it's Psalm 23. Christiana Moravian, in which psalm is the verse, "Let everything that has breath praise the Lord"?
Psalm 27. Psalm 27.
Incorrect, it's Psalm 150. International affairs, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this country's flag.
Colombia. Colombia.
Correct. International affairs for Christiana Moravian. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Pakistan. Pakistan.
Correct. St. John, what organ of the body makes bile? This is a science question.
Liver. Liver.
Correct. Christiano, what is another name for the windpipe that carries air to and from the lungs in humans?
Trachea.
That is correct. Television, it's a visual. This is for St. John. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Moana. Moana.
Correct. Cristiano, look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Snow White. Snow White. Snow White.
Correct. English language, St. John. Give a 5-letter word starting with P, which means the same as danger.
Means danger. Peculiar. Peculiar.
Incorrect, it's peril. Cristiano, give a 5-letter word starting with D, which means the same as pause or interruption.
Distract.
Incorrect, it's delay. Sports, it's a visual, St. John. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Oblique civil. Oblique civil.
Incorrect, it's Darren Sammy. Cristiano, back over to you. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
John Hurricane. John Hurricane.
Incorrect, it's Chris Gayle, former West Indies cricketer. General knowledge, this is for St. John. Pyongyang is the capital of which country?
North Korea. North Korea.
That's right. Over to Cristiano. Ulaanbaatar is the capital of which country?
South Korea.
Incorrect, it's Mongolia. So, social studies for St. John. How many degrees south of the equator is the Antarctic Circle?
6.5. 6.5.
Repeat, please.
6.5.
Incorrect, it's 66.5 degrees. Cristiano, how many degrees south of the equator is the Tropic of Capricorn?
23.5 degrees.
That is correct. Music for St. John. The Beatles were a famous rock band formed in the 1960s in which country?
America. America.
Incorrect, it's the UK or Great Britain. Cristiano, Air Supply was a famous duo formed in the 1970s in which country?
Russia.
Incorrect, Australia. Mathematics. St. John, a pastry chef made a cake with equal number of slices for a party of 25 people. How many slices would comprise 40% of the cake? Christiana, would you like to try?
No, thank you. No, thank you.
It's 10. Christiana, sticking with you. A pastry chef makes a large pizza which has 24 equal slices. How many slices would comprise 75% of the pizza?
Six.
Incorrect, 18. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are St. John the Baptist Prep on 4 and Christiana Moravian Primary also on 4. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Let your friends know that during study and homework time, you will not be able to play games or chat. There is a time for schoolwork and a time for play. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.